Jerome Powell, the chairman of the U.S. Federal Reserve, the Fed, has suggested that the United States is in no rush to issue a central bank digital currency, CDBC, opining that the dollar's status as the de facto world reserve currency will provide the nation with first-mover advantage, no matter what policies other nations roll out on digital currencies. And a researcher seems to agree with this approach. He also claimed that there were benefits, as well as unresolved questions and potential costs, when it comes to CBDCs, and stated that the Fed intended to launch a program of outreach to the financial sector to gauge if stakeholders really needed a digital dollar and understand how it would help the industry. He reiterated his previous claims that we're determined to do this right, rather than quickly, and it will take some time, measured in years, rather than months. However, Powell appeared to hint that the rising popularity of crypto and other digital assets could force the Fed's hand, conceding. Powell's comments appear to fly in the face of conclusions from economists at the European Central Bank, ECB, late last year that suggested countries that lag behind in the race to issue a CBDC could be forced to pay a price in the medium term, and could even lose control of their own monetary policy as a result of neighboring or rival states beating them to CBDC issuance. The economists warned that early CBDC rollouts would provide a significant first-mover advantage to its issuer. Meawnhile, in a recent paper, Peterson Institute for International Economics research fellow Martin Chorzempa wrote, "China is in the advanced stages of its own digital yuan project." The Fed most likely has concluded that the risk of piloting or issuing a CBDC in a few years will be significantly lower due to the ability to learn from accumulated experience in other countries. Only then will experts and the general public know to what extent CBDCs will advance financial inclusion, how to include security features that can handle the risk of cyber threats, whether disintermediation or a flight out of banks in financial crises can be prevented, the cost trade-offs, and other considerations, Chorzempa said, adding that one drawback of this strategy is that the Fed will not be able to gain some of the practical learning by doing knowledge that China is gaining now. However, the research fellow opined that the Fed is likely slowing its digital dollar rollout purposefully, as part of a carefully planned strategy, adding, ________ learn more, 2021 trends in CBDCs. More pilots, maybe some launches, but not for retail. How CBDCs might change our daily PaymentsA reality check as needed at this stage of CBDC development. Deutsche BankWashington Warned. Launch Digital Fiat or say goodbye to USD. DominanceEuropeans warn ECB not to mess with privacy in digital euro.